I'm going to demonstrate a way in which you can use scripts to control and check values when scanning barcodes on the shop floor. So this will be for purposes where you wish to use special business logic to check projects and tasks when you're scanning. I've got a couple of scripts here. One is named can log time project ready, another is can log time project task quantity built. I'm going to use these in a couple of special ways so that we can check them when scanning barcodes. Let's go over to the project list and we'll see that I have a project and the can log time script is set to can log time project ready, and with a task, a can log time script for can log time project task quantity built. These scripts will be called when shop floor employees attempt to scan these items on the shop floor. So let's go ahead and go over to Home All Views, Scan Barcodes. We're just going to close this tab to start and we'll scan a job. And so you can see that this scans fine because my script is looking for a status of ready. So let's change this to in process and then scan it again. So now the employee cannot proceed with this job because the status must be set to ready. So that's a way for you to check. Let's go ahead and change that back to ready. And the next one we're going to check is for can log time project task quantity built, which will check the quantity versus quantity built. Don't worry too much about the scripting. The point is that the scripts themselves can be used to check these values. So let's now go over here and we can then scan the job, and it worked fine. Now the task, and the script pops up and says all items have been built. So I cannot proceed with that task because the quantity is 100 and we've already built 101, so you are done with this. So this is a really nice way that you can use scripts to query the database and check for values like project status or things like the quantity and quantity built from project tasks. So hope you can use this somehow in your manufacturing barcode scanning on the shop floor.